Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are talking about 10 makeup categories where I found my dream product, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. So this video, of course, it is for fun. It doesn't mean that I will never test something else in these categories, but I have some amazing products that I just love and I think they are perfect for me. At least at this particular moment. Because of course makeup is evolving and my taste is always changing. So this is again just for fun. So let's start with the first category, and that is black liquid liner. And I am mentioning here black liquid liner just because I do have a bunch of colorful eyeliners and I do have some amazing formulas, but I know that I will be excited to try different formulas. But for black liquid liner, this is my favorite and it's just perfect. This is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster and it is waterproof ultra fine liquid eyeliner. I am just waiting right now for a replacement of this one just because this has how many months? 6 months actually. I had this one for a lot of time, so longer than 6 months. So I want to just have another one. This is just so easy to apply. It has this fine tip, so you can do a really defined and really thin wing liner if you want. And this is just the best. It's not that expensive and it is an amazing product, so I am not interested in testing other formula of liquid liner. This is just my dream product. For the next one we have brow products, so the brow category in general. I just love my routine right now. I did film pretty recently an updated brow routine and I am talking in there about these products. I don't need to test something else in this category just because my brow routine is great. I really love it. It is very easy to do and every time I am doing this routine my brows look really good, at least in my opinion. So I don't need to test something else. I am wearing these products today. So the first one is the NYX Eyebrow Powder Pencil. I have the shade Taupe. I do use another pencil from MAC just because I like having the tail of my brow a bit darker, but I could just use this one, but I do have the other one, so I want to use it up. But I think I repurchased this like 5 times or something like that. I do have right now another one as a backup. I just love it. It is very easy to use. It is creamy but not too creamy. And it is from the drugstore, so I do really like it. And similarly to that, it is this one. This is the NYX Lift and Snatch. And I had this previously and I really didn't like it because it was not the moment for it. I didn't like at the time fluffy brows, but now I do and this is great. I said in the beginning, like 2 years ago, that this product is great, but it was not for me. Now it is for me. It is very easy to create brow hairs with it and it stays in place. It looks really nice. I have the shade Ash Brown. Perfect color for me, and the first time I did buy a dark shade and that one was too dark for my brow hairs, but Ash Brown is impeccable for my brows and I did repurchase this one, so this is my second one of this Ash Brown shade. I really love it. And the last product for the brows, it is the Too Faced Fluff and Hold, and this one is the second one that I bought because again I love it. It is so great. I did test a pretty good amount of brow gels. I do prefer brow gels over the ABH Brow Freeze type of products, and this one is just so easy to use. The Patrick Ta one is great as well, but that one is just drying out too fast, so it keeps your brows in place, but I don't have time to put them the way that I want them. But for this one you have just a bit of time. I just apply the product into the brows and then brush my hairs up and after like 30 seconds I'm just checking if everything is in place, and if not, I still have a bit of time to just perfect them, and then they are staying the whole day. Right now my brows are staying in place. They are not crunchy like the Patrick Ta one, but they are staying like that. I really like it. It is so great. I like the brush as well, the applicator, the spoolie. I really recommend it. These three are perfect for me, so I really don't want to try anything else for the brows. For the third category, I have a random product, and it is lash glue, but it is an important product because I do wear lashes pretty often, and this is the best one. I think this is the second lash glue that I ever tested, but this is so perfect I don't need to test something else. This is the Duo Brush On Adhesive with Vitamins, and it is the one in green with the green writing on it, and it has this brush, and I think this is latex free if I can remember correctly. I don't have a problem with latex, but if you do, this one is amazing, and it is so easy to use. It's drying in like 30 seconds, so very fast, and it stays all day. The lashes are not going anywhere, and I just love it. It is really nice, and you can find this product in so many stores, because if a brand is selling lashes, sometimes it is selling this product as well. I want to buy some half lashes from Viv, and they are actually selling this one, so I think I will repurchase it when I am doing that order. It is a perfect lash glue, so I don't need to say something else. Next, I have some tools to talk about. I have this lash curler, and this is perfect. I don't need to try something else. This is from Rephr. It is very sturdy. It is a lash curler, so I'm not gonna talk about it too much, but it is really great. And as well, I do have this applicator for lashes. This is from Cupio. Again, very sturdy one. It is strong. I just put the lashes in here, add some glue, and then put it on, and very easy. And this product is very helpful in my opinion. It's just easier to use something like this than just your hands. Next, we have highlighters, and in here I'm gonna recommend 4 products. So 2 cream products, 1 drugstore and 1 high-end, and 2 powder products, 1 drugstore and 1 high-end. They are so beautiful, and very recently I tested another highlighter, the one from Huda Beauty, and that one is just not my favorite, but it is a nice one, and I bought the green one, so it is an interesting color. So I still want to test highlighters in general, but these are so perfect. So sometimes I am wondering, do I need a new highlighter? These are just perfect, and I want to talk about them. So let's start with the cream ones. So this is the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Tilbury, a very known product, and it is worth the hype in my opinion. It's so easy to use. You just apply with the puffy thing. You just apply it on your skin, and then take your finger and blend it out. It is so easy, and I just really like it. It looks so natural on the skin, so glowy, and you can apply less of it for a more natural look, or you can build it up and you will have a stunning glow. I really like it. And the product that I want to recommend from the drugstore, it is the NYX Born to Glow. It is very similar. I don't think it is a dupe or something like that. This one looks a bit more metallic on the skin, but still a really beautiful glow, and I do apply it the same way, and it looks really nice. And then for powder, I do have, like I said, 2. The first one is the Super Glow from Natasha Denona. I very recently purchased this one, but it is so beautiful, and I really love the packaging of this one as well, because I do have a problem with the drugstore one when it comes to packaging, but this one is so beautiful. It has a mirror as well in here, and it is similar to the Tilbury one in the sense that you can apply just a bit and have a more natural look, or you can build it up and have a more intense highlighter. It is so fine, so it looks really natural. I really like it, and like I said, this compact is very beautiful and very good quality. And then the drugstore option is the one that I am wearing actually, and it's the one from the Project Pen. I want to finish this one up. It is my favorite highlighter from the drugstore. It is so beautiful. I really adore it. I had this one for years, but it is still keeping up with the trends and everything. I think it's amazing, but the packaging is so bad. I hope they will improve the packaging at some point and make this one like $1 more expensive or something like that. This one is actually a blinding highlighter, but it's so beautiful. I really love it. I have in here the shade Blossom Glow. I will put the other shades in the description box, but it's so stunning. Next category, it is powder, and right now in my collection I have like 4 pressed powders, if I can remember correctly, and I do like pressed powder to blend the edges or something like that. But my favorite powder is this one. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder, and I have the shade Sugar Cookie, the white one that is translucent. I love it. I will probably use up my pressed powders, but for sure I will repurchase this one when I am running out, because I have less than half. This is amazing. It is very smoothing and is the perfect under eye and T-zone powder. I just adore it. And do I need to test other powders? I think not. This is the best one. And as you can see, I didn't add in here primer, foundation, concealer, blush or bronzer, just because I have very good products in my collection that are favorites and that I love, but I can see something being even better than that. And as well, I can see in those categories formulas evolving very fast in the makeup world. So yeah, I think for those categories I don't have my dream product, at least not yet. Next category, it is lip liners, and I have 2 formulas here that are just perfect. I don't need something else because these are great. The first one is the Nabla one. I have 3, as you can see. They are just perfect for me. First of all, I do prefer wooden pencils for brow products, for eyeliners, for the waterline, and for lip liners. I just like them better. And these are just creamy but not smeary, and they are staying in place. Today I have this one, the shade number 3. It is so stunning. I really like it, and they have beautiful shades as well, so I really don't think I need to try other lip liners. And as well, I have this formula. This is from NYX. It is a newer formula, but I love it. It is the line Loud Lip Pencil from NYX, and I have in here the shade Gold Crusher. And this is described like a longer lasting pencil, and I love it. It is creamy, but it is drying matte, and it looks stunning. It wears great. I really like it. I think this is the best formula from NYX, and I did test like all of the formulas that they have at lip liners, so this is the best one. I really like it, and I really think these 2 formulas are just my dream formulas, so I don't need to test something else. And talking about lips, I didn't add lipsticks in here just because, similarly to blush, bronzer, foundation and stuff like that, the formulas are always evolving. For example, right now I have the new formula from NYX, the matte lip creams, and those are new and they are great. At least this shade, this is just so stunning, it wears great. So I decided to put in here lip oils and lip glosses, just because I have 2 formulas that are my top favorite, and I am always trying new formulas for glosses. I don't know why, but I really enjoy tasting lip oils, lip glosses and stuff like that. Right now I just purchased the Rephr Beauty one. It was out of stock for a bit, so I couldn't buy it for the video, but I bought it right now and I don't love it. I just used it today for the first time, but I already know that it will not be my favorite one, because I really love this one. This is the Sigma Renew Lip Oil. I did mention it in a bunch of videos. It is a thicker lip oil and I adore it. So I don't think something else could be better than this. I just love it. Of course, I will test more because I enjoy testing lip oils. I just ordered 2 more. My low buy is trying right now, but I am waiting for 2 new formulas. But this is so great. I really love it. I do recommend it. It is amazing. And then for a lip gloss, I have this one from NYX. This is Milky Gloss. I have the Salted Caramel Shake. The color is beautiful. It is like an orange nude. And it smells wonderful and I really like it. If I want to wear a gloss with makeup, this is the type of gloss that I would wear because it has color, but it is a thicker formula, so it's not moving around everywhere and it stays on the lips a pretty good amount. It looks really nice. Like I said, it smells wonderful. I really love the milky consistency of it and it doesn't have shimmer or stuff like that. It is so beautiful on the lips. I think these 2 are my dream formulas. We have 2 more categories to talk about and the first one is a makeup sponge. This is my favorite one. It looks like a beauty blender but it's not, and if you are still using the beauty blender, please let me know why. It is so expensive. I can buy like 3 of these for the price of 1 beauty blender. These are from Moop and this is the perfect sponge. I have like 6 other sponges of this, like backups. It is very bouncy, you can blend very easily with it and you are not hitting your face or something like that. And I just love it. I did test the beauty blender at some point, but I really can't see the point. There are so many sponges that are affordable, so this one is just the one that I found and it is perfect, so I don't want to try something else. And the last category here, it is mascara, and I'm gonna talk about the ones that I mentioned in my favorites, the Rare Beauty Perfect Stroke Mascara and the Essence Lash Princess, the Curl and Volume one, the one in the pink tube. I just love both of them. They are volumizing mascaras, they look impeccable, they are black. Right now I am using one from Sephora, I will list it down below. It is really nice, so maybe it could be in competition with this one, but no way, it's not better than this one. So I will repurchase this one and this one in the future. I don't need to test new mascaras. The Sephora one, I just got it when I got my gold card at Sephora, so I didn't buy it, but it is a nice mascara. But these 2 are just perfect for me, so I don't think I need a new mascara to test because I found my dream products. Quick interruption in here. I realized after editing this video that I forgot to mention my favorite eyeshadow primer, because this for sure it is a product that it is my dream product. So this is the Sigma eyeshadow base primer and I have the shading 90 here. This is covering any veins that you have on your eyelids, and as well it is a bit tacky but not sticky or something like that, and it grips the eyeshadows just perfectly. So this is my perfect eyeshadow primer, so I don't want to buy anything else. So this is the 11th item. I just forgot to mention it in the video, but back to the video. So these were all the products. I hope none of these will be discontinued because I would be very sad, but yeah, these are great products for me, dream products. So the real question remains, do I still need to test something else? And the correct answer should be no, but of course in my case it's always yes, because I love testing new makeup. But these products are just the backbone of my collection. If I just want something great, I will always go back to these. They are just amazing products. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.